Howdy there folks, welcome back to another video of battlezone 98 redux. We're going to continue our custom CRA missions. I hope you like explosions. Welcome to the dead planet, Major! Anyways, let's go. I fucking hate this mission. With all my fucking heart, I hate it. And it's the most useless fucking shit. CRA is just a dumb fucking thing. I hate saying that, but just in base game and in DCK, I just don't like the way how the ship's layouts are. Don't like their fucking slots. I don't like the weapons that they come with. They're just as CCA, but a knockoff variant. They're just Temu CCA, but worse. Okay, so okay, got home.
Protecting unit. Yes, under attack.
Oh, not me. Okay, so not me to okay, we've got a walker.
Attacker lost.
Oh, by the way, this is my fourth try. I had all the failures and whatnot in one video, so someone in particular in the real life, like this fucking annoying me. Okay, so okay, since I know they're going to like ambush on both sides, like walkers there.
Yes, comrade. Protecting unit.
Turret is deployed. Turret is deployed. Warning. Damage critical. Program down. I'm on my way.
Oh god damn, I hope it's like, okay. Damn bad.
Talk to me. I'm on my way. Target here. Protecting unit.
Ready for order.
Warning. Damage critical. Program down. Yes, sir.
Captured this
They
border.
testify it's
All
not
salvation
faster than we
approaching.
could typing. forgot there's also snipers in this. Fuck.
Warning. Damage critical.
What? Oh, calm the fuck on now. No, that's just fucking ridiculous.
Affirmative.
Deploying.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Deploying. Turret is deployed. Yes.
Show me the power. Heading out. Heading to Geyser. Show me the power. Ready to build. Building supplies. Weapon deployed. Armory. Building supplies. Weapon deployed.
Turret is deployed. Turret is deployed.
Affirmative.
No, do not feel like I'm negative.
Engaging crosstalk. Affirmative. Affirmative.
Like, I need to get through these full things now.
Warning. Damage critical. Contact down.
Like, at that point, there's no reason. Because I need to be able to respond to those tanks coming in. And,
Show me the power. Heading to Geyser.
Turret is
to be
deployed.
honest, like, in the CRA custom missions, this is by far, if I'm going to be honest with y'all, the most bullshit mission of them all. Straight up. It genuinely is. Once again, I'm not a fan of fucking RNG. And this is what this mission kind of has. Because you really need certain units to even get through this, in my opinion. And I did not even fucking upgrade the whole blast. Fuck. I might as well just restore it.
Show me the power.
Affirmative.
Heading to Geyser.
Turret is deployed.
Show me the power. Heading to Geyser. Show me the power. Ready to build. Building supplies.
Okay, so
Weapon deployed. Building supplies. Weapon deployed.
Oh.
Right behind you.
Turret here. Yes, yes. Turret here. Yes, yes. I'm not there yet. Yes, yes. I'm not there yet. Yes, yes. Turret is deployed. Turret is deployed.
What? Mine is also jumping. That's odd. Okay, so I see you. Oh! There we fucking go. Okay, so the gun's coming okay. Okay, because I lose my jump over, I am fucked. I just do it very quickly. There we go. Check that for shit. Alright.
Armory. Building supplies. Repair deployed. Armory. Building supplies. Repair deployed.
Yes, Conrad. Protecting unit.
Molotov off. Stop it, sit down. 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 On the way.
Approaching nav point. Affirmative.
Oh, you have the old fort.
Yes, Conrad. Returning to base.
Repair deployed.
Imagine. So I fucking love the CCA. Look, like, I love the North Lake. What? Oh. Okay, yeah. So, let's just try to make sure everything's right. Alright, come on. Come on. But I wish I could, like, ID each of these things individually inside. Ah!
Warning. Damage. Combat down.
But, okay, I wasn't expecting them to do that. Alright. No, we're moving. Okay. Oh, I might as well just save. Okay. Alright, time to reload. Why does the game fucking crash like that? For fuck's sake, man. Annoys me. Oh, no, I got the, reload. There we go. Another reason why I wanted to play, because oh, dang. Okay. Like that. Alright, so we got a highlight in here. Like really we can use real quick. Still something because at least not. The thing is that if I had 10 units and how do I explain? Okay, so because I had a fighter there, if that was a normal, okay, so let's say I had 10, 10 units, alright, and then with units, they're all full, I had the option of a tank or a fighter unit, and here's the allied unit. Of course I'm gonna get the fighter to be the other pilot, because then that plane can be under my command. So at least it's been our idea to use it for something rather than just sitting there doing nothing. Okay, yeah, I kinda wanna do, oddly enough, I kinda wanna do a test.
Approaching for pickup.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm kinda,
Approaching for pickup.
I just don't know what you're gonna do this. It's a fucking HPC! The fucking NSCS fucking APC and has a fucking Russian loadout. Fuck. Fucking slow as hell too. And none of the fucking computers are locked on for me. What the fuck? Alright, so it's time to get this out along the way and power squad out. Oh my god, it has infinite fucking health. Alright, we can just reload this. Okay, why the hell are you crashing like that? It annoys the fuck out of me. Dude, I guess this is my favorite. Not, I wouldn't say favorite. It's kind of like in a good tier. Only issue I have it with the CIA faction and this fucking mission. The rest are pretty good, but one of my greatest issues with this campaign, especially when I originally played it, is just how fucking crashy it was. Like every fucking moment it got to crash during stage reloads, it would fucking do it.
Launching attack. Opening hatch.
Cute that they call that a fortress. Frankly, you could probably be able to take that with simple howitzers. I don't think I'm going to be returning anytime soon. I got other things I want to do this week. Am I being hunted? You know this dog doesn't hunt, right? Leave me alone. This is a bad idea. Leave me alone. It's not worth your time to kill me. Think about it. There's other things you could be doing with your life. Please, I just want my rocket tank. No. Please, have mercy. God damn. Okay. But I should... I just want that rocket tank, okay?
Launching attack. Opening hatch.
I'm froze, this fucking dies. Okay, now the worst part of this fucking mission starts.
Awaiting orders. Onward! More power is needed. Approaching geyser. More power is needed. Yes?
No fucking walkers. Okay, fine.
Constructing. Building unit. Unit complete.
Damn.
Armory. Building supplies. Repair deploy. Armory. Building supplies. Repair deploy.
Unit factory. Constructing.
Armory. Building supplies. Repair deploy.
Building unit. Unit complete. Constructing. Unit complete.
Oh, that fucking 30 scares me.
Moving to knob.
Out of my ass, will fucking kill me with something scared about.
Moving to knob. Drop it down. Right on you. Moving to knob.
Target destroyed.
Moving to knob.
Target destroyed. Understood. Target destroyed. Destroyed. Yes. Stop.
to knob. Target is down. Moving to knob. Target is down. Moving to knob. Right behind you.
Unit factory. Constructing.
Right behind you.
Building unit.
Moving to knob.
Building unit. Unit complete. Constructing. Building unit. Unit complete. Constructing.
Missiles away. Target destroyed.
Unit complete.
I'm right behind you. Defending. I'm on top of it.
How's this rocket trying to survive? Oh, now he's dead.
I'm on top of it.
Oh, I don't think he really down.
For the people of I'm on top of it. For the people of I'm on top of it.
Turret here. Yes, yes. Turret here. Yes, yes.
For the people of I'm right behind you. Defending.
Yeah, we're busting regardless. There's not enough ammo to go around. Okay, so
On the way.
Lead the way.
Armory. Building supplies. Repair deploy. Armory. Building supplies. Repair deploy.
Affirmative. Awaiting orders.
Turret here. Yes, yes. Turret here.
On the way.
All power is needed. Approaching
what the
geyser.
Right behind you. Right behind you. Right behind you.
All power is needed.
Turret is deployed.
Constructing. Unit complete. Unit factory. Constructing.
Right behind you. Right behind you. Right behind you.
Building unit. Unit complete. Constructing.
to be honest, like the APC slot tug slot is useless. You could have at least replaced the tug for Walker layer and replace the APC with the turret and replace the mine layer with no. Replace the fires with gas, 3 with constructor, and then number 5 or 7 with walkers.
Moving to knob. Target is down. Moving to knob.
Defender lost.
Right behind you. Right behind you. Moving to knob.
Unit factory.
Oh no! I killed my only allied unit. What shall I ever do?
Moving to knob.
Attacker
The turret that was not gonna last much longer anyways.
lost. Unit factory. Constructing. Protecting unit. Lost. Attacker lost. Attacker lost. Building unit. Unit complete. Constructing.
Standing ground.
Missiles away. Building unit. Lost. Unit complete. China wins again. Constructing. Engaging thrusters.
Warning. Damage.
Building unit.
Attacker lost.
Unit complete. Constructing. Building unit. Unit factory. Constructing. Your orders? I will follow. I will defend. Building unit. Unit complete. Constructing. I will follow. I will defend. Understood. China wins again. Understood. China wins again. Unit complete. Understood.
Armory.
I mean, at least there ain't because CCA isn't coming in. If there was, I'd just... Oh, GG.
Understood. China wins again. Understood.
Attacker lost. Warning.
Understood.
Damage critical. Attacker
Understood.
lost. Comrade down. Attacker
China
lost.
wins again.
Attacker
Understood.
lost.
Understood. China wins again. I will defend. Affirmative. Affirmative.
Attacker
Missiles away.
lost. Comrade down.
Attacking target. Target destroyed. Right away. Affirmative. Affirmative.
Okay. And it fucking crashes. I don't fucking know why it does this shit to me. Oh shit. Why did I do that?
Right behind you.
Protecting unit. Right away.
Left under attack.
Awaiting orders.
Right behind you.
Yes, sir.
Whoa!
Right behind you. Right behind you.
Okay, fucking APC. Alright, they use this fucking unit in this scenario.
All power is needed. Approaching geyser.
Right behind you.
And it's also fucking low enough. But it doesn't just fucking reload that. Crash. Please fucking crash. Okay. All I gotta do is ask it to crash.
Yes, Comrade.
Ask it to crash and it will. Once again, another issue where I got a really buggy mission. Dude, I can't wait until I'm over this mission. This is like one of those missions where I never want to come back to after I'm done. And I fucking did it again.
Right away. Yes, sir. Awaiting orders.
Right behind you.
Affirmative.
Right behind you.
Lead the way. Turret in. Yes, yes. Turret in. Yes, yes. I'm not there yet. Yes, yes.
Right behind you.
All power is needed. Approaching geyser. All power is needed. Yes?
Turret is deployed.
Armory. Building supplies. Repair deployed. Unit factory. Constructing. Building unit. Unit complete. Constructing.
Turret is deployed.
Right behind you.
Building unit. Unit complete. Constructing.
toe knob.
Unit complete.
Stop it, it's down.
Warning. Damage
Moving
critical.
toe knob. Stop it, it's down. Moving toe knob.
Attackers lost. Defender lost. Attackers
Target destroyed.
lost.
Unit
Attackers
factory.
lost. Coordinate down.
Missiles away.
Okay, so I just don't know. You know, this is just one of those very stupid missions where I think that conceptually it's a good idea, but it just is one of those few missions where I think it needs to be revised up. Up again.
Awaiting orders.
Fucking lights, man. They're not gonna fucking laugh.
Turret in.
Might as well just go dig their fucking
Yes,
graves
yes.
already.
Turret in. Yes, yes.
All power
Also,
is
why
needed.
not be setting my turrets
Approaching
in line
geyser.
while you're at it?
All power is needed. Understood. Approaching geyser. Yes? Understood. Approaching geyser. Protecting.
Moving toe knob.
All power is needed. Yes? Constructing.
Stop it, it's down.
Turret is deployed.
Unit complete.
Turret is deployed. Armory. Building supplies. Repair deployed. Armory. Building supplies.
Just never use a light tank during escort missions. Nor should they use the red double.
Right behind you. Right behind you.
Unit factory. Constructing.
Right behind you.
Building unit. Unit complete. Constructing.
Right behind you. Right behind you. Moving toe knob. Stop it, it's down. Moving toe knob.
Unit complete.
Defender lost.
Stop it, it's down. Moving toe knob. Stop it, it's down. Right behind you. Moving toe knob.
See, and the way I deal with theories is I thump bone, throw mortar, and shoot at them.
Target destroyed.
But, however, in a situation like this, you kinda can't fucking do that because you're a CRA.
Attackers lost.
Target destroyed. Protecting unit. Unit factory. Constructing. Missiles away. Unit complete. Unit factory. Constructing. Target destroyed.
Lost. Attackers lost.
Following. Building
Attackers
unit.
lost.
Unit
Attackers
complete.
lost.
Constructing.
Lost. Attackers
Missiles away.
lost. Attackers
Target destroyed.
lost.
Following. Unit complete. Protecting unit. Unit factory. Constructing. Missiles away. Target destroyed. Missiles away. Unit complete. Target destroyed. Following. Protecting unit. Unit factory. Constructing. Building unit. Missiles away. Building unit. Unit complete. Constructing. Target destroyed. Missiles away. Target destroyed. Protecting unit. Unit complete. Following. Protecting unit. Missiles away. Target destroyed. Protecting unit.
Okay, so far so good. So far so good.
Missiles away.
Yes, under attack. Coordinate down.
Affirmative. Onward!
Send me a fucking spotter. And I fucking crash. What the fuck? Why did I crash again? Even in the normal stock, not normal, but even before it got its remaster, I've constantly had issues where the mission was constantly fucking crashing on me over and over and over and over. I don't know, depending on how much time gets wasted in real life, I might just end up having to fucking choose it. I don't want to do that, but in a situation like this, I'm kind of like letting those work supposed to do it.
Yes, under attack.
Oh, wait, so all your shit is running function.
Understood. Approaching geyser.
Protecting unit.
Yes? Unit
So if I
factory.
knew that, I would have probably just been wasting all those pods anyways.
Unit complete. Unit factory. Constructing. Building unit. Unit
Wow. Okay. What the fuck ever.
Armory. Building supplies. Repair deployed. Are ready to build. Building supplies. Ammo deployed. Are ready to build.
Okay, so let's see if it does what I think it's gonna do.
Repair deployed. Are ready to build. Building supplies. Ammo deployed. Are ready to build. Building supplies.
Okay, so it does replace. Okay.
Are ready to build. Building supplies. Ammo deployed. Are ready to build. Building supplies. Repair deployed. Are ready to build. Building supplies.
Give me fucking units that are gonna last long. Okay, fine, what the fuck ever.
Building supplies.
Yes, comrade. Right away.
I'm on the way.
Awaiting orders. Onward. More power is needed. Understood. Approaching geyser. You are in the way.
Moving to knob. Moving to knob. Stop engine down.
Yes?
Armory. Building supplies. Repair deployed. Armory. Building supplies. Repair deployed.
Yeah, because he gets in there and you can't. Yeah, when that happens, then you can't do anything. Fucking hate this mission. I really fucking do.
Supplies. Weapon deployed. Armory. Building supplies. Repair deployed. Are ready to build. Armory. Building supplies. Repair deployed. Are ready to build. Building supplies. Ammo deployed.
Okay.
Ready to build.
I don't
Building
hate
supplies. Repair deployed. Are ready to
At least
build.
somebody can sit there and just fucking finish.
Ammo deployed. Are ready to build. Building supplies. Repair deployed. Are ready to build. Building supplies. Weapon deployed. Are ready to build. Building supplies. Repair deployed. Are ready to build. Building supplies. Ammo deployed. Are ready to build. Building supplies.
Yes,
Repair
under
deployed.
attack.
Yes, sir. Immediately.
Awaiting orders. Yes, comrade. Affirmative. Approaching down point. Engaging thrusters. Right away.
Right behind you. Right behind you. I'm on the way.
More power is needed. Approaching geyser. You are in the way.
Right behind you.
More power is needed. needed. Approaching geyser. Yes?
Moving to knob.
Armory.
Opening hatch.
Building supply. Repair deployed.
Right behind you. Right behind you.
Protecting unit.
Because for whatever fucking reason they think it's reasonable to spend a fucking
Unit
APC.
factory. Constructing.
I wasn't able to save
Building
a fucking ammo
units.
pod either.
Unit
Yes,
complete.
under attack.
Constructing. Unit complete. Unit factory. Constructing. Unit complete.
Armory. Building supply. Repair deployed. Armory. Building supply. Repair deployed. Armory. Building supply. Repair deployed.
Turret in. Yes, yes. Turret in. Yes, yes. Unit factory. Constructing.
I'm on the way.
Unit complete.
A part of me wants to be an idiot and give that guy a fucking tank and build another one.
Turret is deployed. Turret is deployed.
Warning. Damage critical. Defender lost.
Moving to knob. Right behind you.
Oh, so they get stuck? Alright, so they're gonna get stuck right there. Okay. Yeah, that might... Oh, probably not.
Moving to knob.
Defender lost.
Those turrets don't last.
Moving to knob. Target is down. Moving to knob.
Engaging thruster.
Target is down. Moving to knob. Moving to knob.
Attacker lost. Ammo
Moving to knob.
Attacker lost.
Target is down. Right behind you. Moving to knob.
Target destroyed.
Right behind you. Right behind you.
Attacker
As
Unit
soon as I saw
factory.
that, I was anything for those.
Constructing.
Attacker lost.
Moving to knob.
Building
Attacker
unit.
lost. Attacker
Unit complete. Constructing. Building unit.
Comrade down.
Target is down.
I mean, when I first played this before it got remastered, there was turrets coming in
Unit complete. Unit factory.
every periodically as well.
Constructing. Missiles away. Target destroyed. Following. Protecting unit. Unit complete. Unit factory. Constructing. Missiles away. Target destroyed. Unit complete. Missiles away. Target destroyed. Missiles away.
Lost.
Target destroyed. Missiles away.
Ammo
Target destroyed.
Attacker
Missiles away.
Attacker
Target destroyed.
lost.
Following. Unit factory. Constructing. Onward. Protecting unit. Engaging thruster.
I can't even get in a different fucking ship right now. Fuck me. Oh, Walker! Walker, 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 Walker.
Lost.
Unit complete. Yes, comrade. Missiles away. Target destroyed. Affirmative. Approaching nav point. Affirmative. Missiles away.
Attacker
China wins again.
lost. Attacker lost.
Understood. China wins again. I will follow. Understood.
Because it's not very essentially useful. We can start pushing it forward and have it
China wins
pick up
again.
some damage.
Understood. Awaiting orders. All power is needed. Understood. China wins again. Understood.
Comrade down.
China wins again. Understood. China wins again. Understood. China wins again. I will
I
follow.
kind of feel like we should be done with this. At this point, the mission should be done. Straight up.
Understood.
Major, we are being overrun. Retreat back through the portal.
More power is needed. Understood. Understood.
Whew. Okay, that's that. I hope y'all had fun watching this. Talk to y'all later.